How do 5x114.3 wheel spacers work on your Xiaomi SU7? 5x114.3 spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality 5x140.3 spacer can help the Xiaomi SU7 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. 5x140.3 spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Xiaomi SU7. The length of the Xiaomi SU7 will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using 5x140.3 spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good 5x140.3 spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Xiaomi SU7 spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 73 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS 5x140.3 spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will therefore endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional 5x140.3 spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS sports active cooling 5x140.3 spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat. Both each achieve the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS sports active cooling Xiaomi SU7 5x140.3 spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.